Welcome to Tiny Twinkles.
Hello, my little cutie pies with lots of love. In my previous video, we have completed line patterns. In this video, we will learn all these patterns. So, get ready and scribble with me. Let's start. Today, the video is on curve patterns. There are totally 5 types of curve patterns. Let's learn one by one. Right curve, left curve, upward curve, downward curve, and finally a circle. Get your pencil and start writing with me. First, we'll start with a right curve. This is the right side. So, we'll start from top to bottom, slightly bending a curve towards its right. So, this is a right curve. Again, keep 2 dots in the form of a standing line and try to join them by forming a curve bending slightly towards its right. Let's trace it again. A curve from top to bottom, slightly bending towards its right. Nice, you learned the right curve. Now let's shift to left curve. Which is the left side? This side. Let's trace. Draw a curve from top to bottom, slightly bending towards its left. Done. Again, tracing a curve, slightly bending towards its left. Good. One more time. Yes, you're learning very quickly. I love it. Let's move on to next curve pattern, that is upward curve. What is the direction of up? You already know. Top or up? Yes. So, trace the curve as shown in the video. A curve that faces upward direction is called an upward curve. Let's draw it again. A cute little curve that facing top direction or up direction is an upward curve. Again, draw a curve that faces upward direction. Let's move to next pattern, which is downward curve. Which side is down? Yes, correct. This side is down or bottom. Let's trace a curve that faces downward direction as shown in the video. Again, a curve that faces downward. Trace again. A curve facing downward. Good. You learned downward curve. Now let's move to the final pattern, which is a circle. Let me tell you simple way. Place 2 dots in a form of standing line and then trace left curve and a right curve. Isn't it easy? Let's try again. Place 2 dots, trace left curve and then right curve. Yes, one more time without dots. From left to right. Very good. Now we understood how to trace a circle. Let's revise what we learned today. A right curve, a left curve, an upward curve, a downward curve, and a circle. Let's learn the patterns with this cute little clay. This become a standing line. It's a sleeping line. Now place like this. It's a right slanting line. And this side, it's a left slanting line. Now bend it in the middle slightly and form in the shape of a curve. Now this become a right curve. If you turn other side, it becomes a left curve. If we place towards upward direction, it becomes an upward curve, and if we reverse it, it becomes a downward curve. Let's make a circle pattern. Combine both the ends and it becomes a cute little circle. Please do like the video and subscribe for more.